My name is Cyn Doll and welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to talk about how I went from 1 to 2 sources of income as a licensed cosmetologist, retiring from the field of cosmetology, now having over 10 streams of income. So in this video, I'm going to break down the 10 streams of income that I now have. I'm working on a couple more. If you're interested in getting to know my now 10 streams of income, then make sure you keep watching. Before we hop into that, why don't you go ahead and subscribe here to my channel, and once you subscribe, be sure to click on that bell notification so you're notified every time I post another video. I've made a video on this topic before, so make sure you check here. But firstly, I want to say that I was a licensed cosmetologist for 14 years, and I kind of decided that I wanted to retire out because at the end of the day, doing manual labor actually has a really big toll mentally and physically. So I was able to transition out. So before, the way that I would make money was by manual labor only. Manual labor is the labor that you do, like you only are making money if your hands are moving. So I would schedule hair appointments for clients, and then I would do their hair, and then they would give me money in return. And then I also had a product line where I was making the products myself by hand, doing all the shipping, packaging, all of that myself. So neither one of those incomes were passive. Check these 2 videos in the description box below to figure out exactly how I felt about it and my transition out of both. Let's start with the most obvious one, which is YouTube. Whenever you make a video on YouTube, advertisers pay a certain amount of money, ads run on the video, and then the advertisers pay YouTube, and then YouTube pays me a cut of the money. Okay, number 2 is being a Amazon live creator, and I actually did make it to A-list status. And on Amazon Live, it's basically the same as the Amazon influencer program where I promote my favorite products. I tell you guys what my favorite products are, and then I leave you links in the description box, and you can head over to Amazon with my link. And then when you make a purchase over there, I get a small little commission. And then as an Amazon live creator, I do the same exact thing. The only difference over there, I go live on Amazon and I display the products to you in live video, like you can see me holding the bottle and stuff like that. So that link will be left below. A nice little amount that comes from Amazon. Amazon is great. Number 3 will be ebooks. A lot of times when I make certain videos, I'll see a lot of people asking the same questions, so I'll go ahead and produce an ebook to answer those questions in a way easier form, because sometimes it becomes really hard and time consuming for me to constantly make videos about the same thing. So ebooks are a great way to package my knowledge and to package the answers that you need. I absolutely love ebooks and just digital products in general. If you are a cosmetologist, there is knowledge obviously that you have, and you can figure out a way to package that knowledge and put it in digital form and sell an ebook. Yeah, I'm getting parched. My 4th stream of income is online courses. My online courses are my new baby, okay? This is a place where I teach everything when it comes to business or just hair and the natural hair growth cycle. Recently, I haven't been able to do as much one-on-one coaching, so in replacement of one-on-one coaching, whenever I don't have as much availability, then you can take one of my courses. And my course is literally everything that you would get out of a one-on-one consultation with me, just broken down in digital form. You get videos, PDFs, and then you're a part of a group where we can talk back and forth if you have personal questions. So if you want to sign up for one of my courses, then make sure you check the link in the description box below and start your course today. Yes. Number 5 is my membership site. Guru 101 is my own personal online platform where you have access to different blog posts, a group discussion where we're constantly talking and communicating with each other. You have like instant access to me. You can go on there, ask your questions, and then after you ask your questions, I make a personal video just for you. We also have live videos, live question and answers just for the Guru 101 members once a month. The next one is coming up on the 9th. So if you want to take part in Guru 101, just click the link in the description box below. My membership is only $9.99 a month, and this is a way for me to take all of my educational content that I'm so passionate about and put it all in one spot. And once you sign up for your Guru 101 membership, you have lifetime access to all of this information. It's $9.99 a month, less than you pay at Starbucks, and right now we are pushing 1,000 members, you know. So if you want to help me reach that goal, you know, the 1,000 active members goal, we're almost there. So you can join, link in the description box below. Help your girl get there. I mean, you should be eating McDonald's every morning anyway. That could be your McDonald's money. I'm trying to help you. Help me help you. Number 6. So my 6th form of income is business coaching and consulting and hair coaching and consulting. Even though I do not do hair manually, that still does not take away the fact that I am a licensed cosmetologist, herbalist, and a couple of other things. So whenever my clients can't necessarily find a stylist that can treat their scalp issues and they don't necessarily feel comfortable going to a dermatologist or may not be able to afford a dermatologist or something like that, then they book one-on-one appointments with me, and then we do a certain time frame depending on how much time they book with me. And then once you book that time, then I give you a new plan, a new regimen, figuring out what your problems are and teaching you how to tear down the old foundation and build a new one. I love one-on-one hair coaching and one-on-one business consulting. I haven't really been doing too much of right now because I'm getting my own business together. So but hair coaching is something that I still do quite often when I can open my books up. So if you're interested in booking me for a one-on-one coaching session, make sure you check the links in the description box below, and make sure you subscribe to my website because right now the coaching books are not open. But if you subscribe to my website, then you're instantly notified every time they open. My 7th source of income is sponsorship. Is a sponsored content. So you know, whenever you see here on my YouTube or on my Instagram, follow me on Instagram if you're not already, but whenever you see on my YouTube or on Instagram, you know, a hair company or just any brand for that matter, that would be considered a sponsorship. I have a flat rate, and you know, I actually got all professional, and they have, instead of me sending like messages, emails or whatever, like there's a little template with my rate card and all of my I have a rate card with all of my promotional fees listed for all of my different forms of social media, including my blog, because over on my website I actually use my website the same way that I use YouTube for advertisement. So brands also purchase blog space over on my blogs. They will pay me to make certain blog posts for certain products, but I can honestly say, and y'all know, y'all can take me at this for my word, that I only support brands that I use myself personally or that I try out and actually like. That's why you don't see as many sponsored blog posts, because a lot of these products been dusty. Instagram and my blog, aka my personal website, because Instagram is really good with feeding people over to my blog, right along with YouTube for that matter. The same way that I get ad revenue from YouTube, I also get ad revenue from my website, and it actually comes to the same Google AdSense account. Okay, so I have my website monetized, so that's awesome sauce. Really, forget Instagram, we just gonna put my website at number 8. Okay, my website is number 8, and it is one source of income that I've been building for a while. Because let me say this, you don't just randomly start making posts on your your website and then instantly you're monetized. Like the first year it was like $5 a month, $3 a month, $2 a month, but as time has went on, I've been able to increase it more and more, and the more active I am on my website, the more money I make. Number 9 would be affiliate marketing. Now, Amazon falls into affiliate marketing, but my business with Amazon is in its own lane, all within itself. So that is the reason why I'm putting affiliate marketing in its own window. That is the main reason that I have decided to put affiliate marketing itself in its own window, because all of the different software that I use, for example, I use Filmora X to edit my content. So anytime I post a video, in the description box there'll be an affiliate link for that. I also use Epidemic Sound for my background music, affiliate links for that. I use TubeBuddy as something to help me with the analytics to build my website. And I'm also into StreamYard. StreamYard is the platform that I use to stream my Amazon Live content. And make sure that you are on the lookout and you mark your calendars. This is another reason you need to subscribe over to my website, because coming really soon in December, I will be featured on a live broadcast on StreamYard, showing and talking about the different ways that you can use online sales to really make some money in the beauty industry, or just in any industry for that matter. I'm an affiliate with Olaplex. You know, when I make the Olaplex videos, then whenever you purchase through one of my links through Olaplex, then I also get a small commission with that, and we could just keep going. Those are just a few examples of affiliate marketing that I partake in, you know. Number 10 is one that I kind of do like on a low-key ghost type of thing, and this would be drop shipping. Now, when it comes to drop shipping, I don't necessarily do drop shipping under the Cyn Doll brand. I actually have quite a few sites under other names, not another person like Catfish or Nobody, but other houseware brands and things of that nature. If you would like more detail on drop shipping, then Guru One-on-One would be excellent for you, because not only is Guru One-on-One about hair, but Guru One-on-One is actually about business, how to start your own business, and I teach hairstylists how to transition from standing behind a chair to having multiple sources of income. Because yes, you can actually do all of these things and still do hair a couple of days a week, or 3 or 4 days a week, whatever you want to do. I'm not saying that you have to quit your job as a hairstylist to do affiliate marketing, because to be honest, I wish that I would have known about all of these different forms of affiliate marketing getting started, because I would have been doing all of these things when I first started doing hair, and it's just one of many sources of income that you can have. So if you like this video, then make sure you leave me some comments below and let me know which one of these you would be interested in, or if you crazy in the head like me and you want to do all of it. That's my Gemini side, okay? Because I'm a Cancer sun and moon, but a Gemini rising girl, so I can do 37,000 businesses at one time and they'll all be successful. Oh yeah, here's another one of my affiliates, the coldest water. This water has been the coldest this whole time. So if you want some, make sure you check the link in the description box below, because when you purchase through my link, I get a small little commission. It's a really cute cup and it has my name on it, Cyn Doll. I'll see you later. Bye.